Hello guys, welcome to another one of my videos. It's been a while. I'm back and I'm having myself some lamb chops here, which I'm going to dice into some large chunks, as you can see. After which I'm going to prepare some vegetables and condiments that will go with the dish, which will include some tomatoes, some green chili, red onions, and potatoes as well. After I prepare this, I'm going to put up some cooking pot, add in my cooking oil, and start browning my red onions. Once they're browned up, I'm going to add in my ginger garlic paste, after which I'm going to give that a good mix. And I'm going to bring in my spices. If to check out which spices these are, you're going to check my description panel. And after that, I'm going to add in my tomato and a fresh chili puree, which I've already blended together. And then I'm going to give that a good mix, cover it up, and let it cook for a couple of minutes. Once that is cooking, I'm going to add in my lamb chops, potatoes, and the green capsicum. I'm going to give this a good mix, cover it up, and after a couple of minutes, I'll give it a mix again and then cover it again. And I'm going to continue with this sequence for like about 15 minutes till the juices start getting released from the meat and all the spices are combined. I'm going to then add in some water and I'm going to cover this up and let it cook for a while to let the potatoes and all the ingredients to combine properly and the meat to also to get tender. Once it's boiled and cooked, we're going to have a nice heavy thick sauce which are going to season with some salt, and we're going to serve this on a plate with you can serve this with rice, bread, or even chapati. So do enjoy and see you in the next video.